Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to another Stranded Deep. Now, I've not been on for a while, I do apologise for that, but I've been really busy with my new job and getting to know the new area. Hopefully, I should be not too busy just now, so I shall be able to bring you some more videos. Now, I have been on now and then, just clearing different islands, and nothing exciting really, same old same old. I have collected a load of logs here. I've collected even more and made them up into planks. What else have I done? Collected a load of clay, some stone, that's about it. I've added on to a raft. As you can see, I think it should all be emptied. Yep. Yep. Hang in there. So the plan, well, what I need to do is I need to make a furnace and a fuel still. So I need to start planting some tatties as well to make the fuel. First I need to make a furnace so that I can water the plants. Now what do I need to make the furnace? Where are we? So 6 clay, 3 sticks and 2 rope. I've got plenty of that. Rope. And you can see in here, all what I've done is put up some storage units. So what I need, 3 sticks. 1, 2, 3, and 6 clay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Where should we put it? Let's put it on. Right there. Sweet. What do I need to make fuel still? Fuel still boiler. So I need fire pit, 2 clay. I've got plenty of those. Right, so I need 3 stone and fire. Right, I need to cut up some more logs. Now I might get disturbed during this to go and help with some stuff with work. But we'll come to that when we get disturbed. Right, so I need to make a fire. Right, so where am I going to put this? Let's do it there. Here's some stones. 1, 2, 3, I think it needs, is it? Yep. Boom. And what else? Two planks, 4 wood, 2 rope, and some clay. sticks. And some rope. Good. Right. Oh, I need a jerry can. Boom. There we go. Right, so now I need to make some of these clay flasks. So we need more rope. Wrong button. Right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. And all these full. I need to put these. We'll have to make some more of them. Now, potatoes should be here. Oh, come on. Why aren't you going? Why is it not letting me have the ties? Come on. Oh, it's not letting me have the potatoes. Why not? Why is it not choosing the potatoes? Oh, what's going on? It's not letting me choose the potatoes. It's not letting me put anything else in. Why is it not letting me get the potatoes? What the heck is going on? I've got potatoes in there and it's not letting me have them. Right. And I'm gonna have to go and find some more potatoes. Right, okay. Let me put these. Oh, that's not what I wanted. still not letting me have the potatoes. I don't know why that's happened. Drop these here for the time being and sort them out. Right, so that's those two built. Now what I want to do now is carry on with a pier. Drop you. And put the rope back into there. And we these into here. Well, it says tinned food, but let's pick up all these. Now, this will be a quick video because I might need to go and help with something at work, and I shall make another video with an update of what's happening around here. So can I make, nope, not there. Building. A hammer is required for building. I've got a hammer. Right. Plank foundation. Boom. Funny feeling I'm going to need more planks. Yeah, so I'll make another video soon, giving an update of what's happening with my new job. It's not been what I expected, far from what I expected actually, but I'll get into that in another video, which I plan on doing sometime this week. This pier that I'm making, I also want it to be not just for parking the raft, but also the gyrocopter, which I have all the parts for, and I shall be making in this episode as well. There's going to be a lot of things crammed into a very short video. Button. Yeah, right. So I need some corrugated iron as well. I don't know if I'm gonna have enough corrugated scrap. So plank foundation, corrugated foundation. Put one in there. And there. And there. And you'll see, hopefully we'll have enough. No, I won't have enough. So this, the corrugated, is going to be my helipad. Right, so planks there, planks there. So for the corrugated, I'm just going to make a H for the helipad. And it should be called gyropod. That sounds wrong. Seems I don't have enough of them. Just put them there just now. I shall go and collect some more lighter points. I know that's not in the middle of the thing, but I don't care. As long as I've got somewhere to land the gyrocopter. Not coming dark already, is it? Time. God, time flies by too quickly in this game. I'm gonna need a lantern. That there just now. And there goes my hammer. Right, okay. I do have leather hammers. Right, I know it's not that late, but I'm gonna sleep anyway. I hate working in the dark. And it's still dark. Yes. Hey, where's my planks? think that's all the planks. So okay, why is it not letting me build? Oh, I don't know, I'm gonna have to redo this. Why is it not letting me friggin' build there? Oh, come on. Right, let me put there. I don't want it there, because I want it around here. Oh, there we go. Yes. It might not be letting me do that because of the rocks in the way. Right. Filling with a hammer is not a good idea. Come on, pick up the raft. Why is nothing going right in here today? Oh, there we go. Oh. Why won't it let me move the raft? Something's no right. Come on. Will it not let me because of that barrel? Okay. Might have to rethink this. Let's get rid of these. Oh. Sweet. Right, so that's going to be a metal one, that's going to be a metal one, and that's going to be a metal one. Hopefully I'll have enough to meet up over there. Right, so that'll be the helipad. And then one more row, I think. Any more planks here? Nope. Right, let's make some more. Come on. Sweet. Right. hope we've got enough to do one more row. There goes that hammer. Hammers don't last very long. Beeping blue water. Okay. And one more. Boom. Right. So I'll need to get more corrugated scrap for here. How can I make steps? Let me see. Oh, wrong way. Steps. Plug steps. Come on. What is going on with this today? Come on. There we go. Right, don't need more planks of wood. Ooh. So I'll be putting steps in all the way along here, just so when I pull my raft up, it's easy to get on and off with the steps. But just to finish that another time. Right, so now a little bit more plank there. Put that down there. Where's all the rest of my gyrocopter parts? Right, something's definitely happened with this. Can I make everything I need? Right, chemicals, storage, farming, vehicles. Let's put it there. Gyrocopter seat. Gyrocopter cockpit. I'm definitely missing, because I had everything marked out. What's in here? Please. I had everything ticked off what I needed, and I had other parts lying down here, and 2 crates have actually gone missing from here. I just noticed that. Where have they gone? I had 2 other ones in here full of parts with a gyrocopter, and where have they gone? See, that label maker there was sitting on top of the top box, and now it's disappeared. So for the motor, I need another vehicle part, and a filter part, and the rotors. I need a gyrocopter part. Yeah, I had everything for it. And now those 2 boxes have disappeared. A box has disappeared from here as well. And from here. Where have the boxes gone to? That is really annoying. And it's really annoying that I can't get the potatoes out of here neither. Let me choose that, but it won't let me choose potatoes. Something's definitely wrong. That's just messed up my whole rest of my video. Well, so gonna have to end here, I'm afraid. I don't know where things are disappearing to. That is really confusing. But I will get them sorted out, and I will get this finished. The gyrocopter finished. and the end of the pier finished. But that's going to have to be it for this video. Say I'll do another video with an update on what's going on in my new job and whatnot. That'll be later on this week. And we shall end with the sunset, which is just gone. So if you